How much detail should I write in my LinkedIn experience section is a question I get asked a lot of times. And look, it's a personal choice, but for a lot of my clients who specifically fall in the mid to senior level spectrum, what works is not copy pasting the CV. Please don't do that. Your CV may have a lot more details, specifications, quantifications, which you don't want to put in a public platform. So, my recommendation is for your experience section and each role you're doing, think the big picture, what you were supposed to be doing, how did you go about it. And you can also add one or two bullet points to highlight a key achievement, but at a very high level again. The way I see it, your LinkedIn profile gives anybody who's reading it, a potential hiring manager, a recruiter, a flavor of what you are interested to do or have been doing in your roles. When they ask for your CV and take a look at your CV, there's specification, quantification, you nail down your impact. And then when they meet you, there's the personality layover. So every touch point adds something to their entire understanding of you. I hope this helps.